Well, the deadly strike on a girls' primary school in Iran, which killed at least 175, was the result of a targeting error by the US military. That's according to a preliminary report, a US military report. The investigation found that coordinates for the strike used outdated information. US President Donald Trump has repeatedly denied that America was responsible.
What happened here may prove to be one of the gravest military errors in living memory. At least 175 people, most of them children, were killed at Sajara Tayyeba Elementary School in one of the deadliest incidents of this war so far. The school was more than 1,000 kilometres from Tehran, in a small town on Iran's southern coast called Minab. It was just one of dozens of targets in what the US military called a campaign of precision strikes. So how did an elementary school end up in the crosshairs, reduced to rubble? Satellite imagery helps explain how. The school sat directly beside an Iranian Revolutionary Guards naval base. At one point, it may even have been part of the base. But years before the strike, the school had been walled off from the rest of the compound. Then came February 28th. Satellite images taken afterwards show widespread damage to both the naval base and the school building. In Washington, the denials came quickly.
Did the United States airstrike a girls' elementary school and kill 175 people?
Not that we know of, Sean.
Based on what I've seen, that was done by Iran.
But one video made those denials hard to believe. It appears to show a Tomahawk cruise missile striking close to the school. And only one country in this conflict is known to use them: the United States. But Donald Trump continues to resist that conclusion.
Numerous other nations have Tomahawks. They buy them from us. But I will certainly, whatever the report shows, I'm willing to live with that report.
With 175 graves already filled, the preliminary findings suggest he may not find it easy reading. Edmund Heaphy, RTE News.